All right, on to weather now. Warnings and flood watches have been issued for Hawaii's Big Island as Tropical Storm Hone strengthens. Or is it Hone?
Hone.
Okay, thank you, Elisa. We're going to talk to Elisa Raffa very soon because residents can expect strong winds, heavy rainfall, and dangerous fire conditions. A red flag warning is also in effect for most of the islands, impacting hundreds of thousands of people. Meteorologist Elisa Raffa is here to more on Hone.
Yeah, it is headed towards the Hawaii there. It looks like it will go just to the south of the islands, but it could still strengthen to a hurricane. Right now, it's got 65-mile-per-hour winds, gusts up to 75 miles per hour as it continues its trek west. We're expecting that center to pass either just near or just south there of the Big Island. Tropical storm warnings in effect for the Big Island, but we now have a hurricane watch for the coast there where we're worried about some hurricane force winds. You've got some tropical storm watches for some of the rest of the islands as well as we kind of get sideswiped by the winds and the heavy rain. Flood watches in effect for up to 6 to 10 inches of rain possible on the Big Island of Hawaii. You've got to remember when it comes to the Big Island here, it's a massive volcano, so a lot of this rain is also driven by the terrain here. So especially on that east side of the terrain is where we could find some of that heavy rain, some landslides, mudslides possible in some of those heaviest downpours because again, these islands are pretty mountainous. We do have some drought conditions in effect for all of these islands here in Hawaii. 73% of the island has some drought conditions, so they need the rain. The problem with the drought conditions now, when you get the tropical storm force winds, is we have red flag warnings in effect. This is, kind of what happened last year with the wildfire situations. When you get gusts over 50 miles per hour with some dry ground there, some dry air on the backside of this hurricane, that's where you get some problems. So you can see the wind gusts as we go through Sunday, something we'll have to watch very closely for the floods and the fire threat. Fred.
All right, keep us posted. Thank you so much.